So right now, let us talk about user input. Why would we need to use user input? So let's say you want to give the variables yourself by typing them instead of coding them. So far we were writing codes like a equals 3, b equals 7. What if I want to run the program, then I want to give the value of a and b? Well, in order to do that, we need to use an input. The input function is going to take the user input and then it's going to store it in a variable. Something like that. Let's say you want to put the value of z. You would say z is equal to input, and then you would write your message like enter value, and that's it. Now, once you execute this, you'll get this message displayed, enter value, and then you will have the chance to input any number or letter you want, and whatever you input is going to be stored here. So if you say here, let's say you've written 5, what's going to happen is z is going to equal to 5. Let us execute this. Now, let us code what we have written previously. So let's say we have a variable called z, and this z is going to equal to input, and we open a parenthesis, and we're going to say enter your name, and let's give a meaningful name here. So I'm going to say this is called name, and let's say next we're going to have the age. So this is my age. Enter your age. Okay, then I'm going to be printing the following. We're going to say my age is, remember, we put the message here, then we put a comma, and we put the variable, which is name. Now, whatever we have written here as a user input, it's going to be replaced here and displayed. Same thing here. This is name, and this is age. Okay, so now if we run this, as you can see here, it says enter your name exactly as you have given it. So I'm going to say my name is Mr. Hamsho, and what's your age? Let's say it's 29. And as you can see here, it said my name is Mr. Hamsho, my age is 29. And that's exactly what we are looking for.